Welcome to Wildlife Wonderscape, where we explore the marvels of the animal kingdom. Today, we journey to the heart of the African savanna to uncover the secrets of one of its most fascinating residents, the meerkat. Meet the meerkat, a small social mammal that belongs to the mongoose family. Native to the deserts and grasslands of southern Africa, meerkats are known for their unique behaviors and tight-knit family structures. These remarkable creatures are burrowers, spending much of their time digging intricate tunnel systems. These burrows provide shelter from the harsh sun and protection from predators. Each burrow complex can have multiple entrances and chambers, making it a safe haven for the entire group. One of the most iconic behaviors of the meerkat is their upright stance. This posture allows them to keep a vigilant watch for predators while their group forages for food. They use their keen eyesight to scan the horizon, and when danger is detected, they give a warning call to alert the others. Meerkats are omnivorous and have a varied diet, primarily consisting of insects such as beetles, spiders, and scorpions. They also eat small reptiles, fruits, and plants. Their sharp claws and dexterous paws help them dig through the soil to find these hidden treats. Social structures are crucial to meerkat life. They live in groups called mobs, which can range from a few individuals to over 40. Within the mob, there is a clear hierarchy, with dominant individuals leading the group. Social grooming is a common practice that helps strengthen bonds between members and keeps their fur free of parasites. Breeding is a collaborative effort in meerkat mobs. The dominant pair are the only ones that breed, while other members of the group help care for the young. This cooperative breeding ensures that the pups receive the best care and protection as they grow. Despite their small size, meerkats exhibit a range of playful behaviors. They engage in games and social interactions that help reinforce their bonds and provide mental stimulation. Play is an essential part of their development and social structure. As the sun sets over the African savanna, meerkats retreat to their burrows, preparing for another day of exploration, foraging, and social interaction. These incredible animals remind us of the importance of cooperation and adaptability in the natural world. Thank you for joining us on this adventure into the world of meerkats. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more wildlife wonders. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of nature with Wildlife Wonderscape.